Hey, what's up guys, it's Lashuk again in a new video. Today we are going to be unboxing this Galaxy Watch 4. I'm really excited to get over this. But for some reason, I've unboxed Apple Watches before and I feel like the package is kind of, well, not long enough. I'm not sure. But right before we open the box, let's go ahead and do a box overview. But since it's a premium product from Samsung, there's not much written in it, no fancy gimmicks that are written on the sides, and some specifications on the back. It says Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS is on the device. Of course, that we all know it's a smartwatch, guys. And let's go ahead and open the box itself. So I like the premium touch of how the watch itself is presented with black contour, but the problem is it gives a less of a contrast so that the watch is really visible to well, the viewers, I mean audience, I mean consumers, I mean a lot of stuff. Anyways, so the point being, the watch was blended with the unboxing, which was something that could have been improved. And this is the model where you don't have the rotating bezel that you can use, so that is not there in this model. And as usual, we have the Samsung's quick start guide, which I hope I can get hold of it. So that's pretty much it for the unboxing. If we have something else in here interesting, I don't think we do. Here we have the charger, I guess. So it better be wireless since there's no port. It's a smartwatch. It is of course wireless. And the inconvenient part is the fact that it doesn't come with the charging brick. At least it comes with the charging cable, since Samsung can't just say that we hope that you have this cable at home. We don't, because not everyone has a smartwatch at home, right? So for the product overview, it is pretty sleek, and compared to my hand, it is a perfect fit. But I would say if you have bigger hands, you can go for a bigger model, but this should fit a general population. If you want to know your strap size, there is also a measurement piece in the back of the box, so you just place your hand right there and you can go ahead and consult which strap you need to get. So yep, that's pretty much it. The only thing that was kind of weird is the documentation. So there's no quick start guide. Wait, what? Actually, that's kind of weird, but although all the paper that was given was only this, and we have the wireless charger and the watch itself. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.